Alright, here we have our 2009 Colt Real Concept Airsoft pistol. This is a CO2 powered gun and features full metal construction, 6-inch metal slide, fiber optic sights, adjustable spin-up shooting system, tactical rail frame for your options, and a blowback system. This pistol does have a strong recoil and should be used carefully. It has a weight of 2.6 pounds and an overall length of 9.76 inches. It will shoot 446 feet per second with a .12 gram BB and has a power range of 60 yards. The mag capacity is 33 rounds and it's easily loaded. Pull down the slide and load BBs staggered. Make sure to load them in the right way or the spring is not going to work properly. To load the CO2 cartridge, you press the little button to slide off the end. Take your Allen wrench or coin and screw out the screw, place in the cartridge and tighten until you hear it start filling the chamber with gas, and then you want to tighten quickly, making sure not to over tighten as to mess up the rings. This gun is officially licensed a Colt by Cybergun, and now I'm gonna shoot it and see if I can hit these cans. Alright, let's fire it. I've already got it loaded. I've got the gas chamber in. All we're going to do is pull the slide back and the hammer is going to cop back and it's ready to fire. This is a gas pistol, so it is semi-automatic and will fire each time you pull the trigger without sliding the slide back until the clip is empty. This is just one of our many airsoft pistols. To view our full line, visit softairgun.net.